Good day everyone. So you have already known the ports, sockets, slots, and connectors in your computer system. So our next topic is the hand tools and equipment that can be used for, especially for fixing your computer, assembling and disassembling your computer system. So most tools used in computer system servicing are hand tools. This can be a part of computer repair toolkit as well. So in this lesson, you will learn about the common hand tools and equipment that you will be using, especially in handling computer equipment such as disassembly or assembly of a computer, as well as your repair and maintenance. So these are the tools being used. First one is electrostatic discharge tools. Next is your hand tools. The third one is your cleaning tools. Fourth is your diagnostic tools. So we will start with your electrostatic discharge tools. So when working with electronic equipment, so it is important to make sure that there is no static electricity to avoid damage of computer parts. Static electricity can be easily generated by friction on carpets, clothing, hair, fabric, flooring, and many more. So these are the electrostatic discharge tools that can be used. First is your anti-static rest trap. So this is commonly used in the company organization, especially kanang mga production company. So this electrostatic rest trap is worn to prevent ESD damage to computer hardware. The next tool is your anti-static mat. So this is used to stand on or place tools to prevent buildup of static electricity. Your next tool is your hand tools. So these are the tools being used for disassembling, assembling, or repairing or maintaining your computer system. So the first one is your pliers. So this is used to firmly hold small parts. Next is your Torx screwdriver. So this is for loosening or tightening screws that have a star-like head. The next one is precision tools. So this is usually used in removing screws of various sizes. So there are different sizes for your screws man sa computer system. The next one is your LAN tester. So this is used to test the connectivity of your LAN cable. So this can also be used for checking if, especially if you're going to make a straight through or a crossover connector. The next is your crimping tool. So your crimping tool is used for locking RJ45 into UTP cables. So it can also be used for locking RJ11 that can be used in your telephone cables. Next is your flathead screw. So this is used for loosening or tightening slotted screws. So mauna siyang katong flat na. Kay there are screws man katong star na sa tuy pwede gamitan nato. Next is your Phillips screwdriver. So this is used for loosening or tightening Phillips head screws. So mostly are your cross-headed. And next is your desoldering tools. So your desoldering tools is used to remove solder from a circuit board. So kanang mga wisik-wisik na mga solder, especially when your soldering a circuit na siya mga wisik-wisik. So kani siya ang gamiton to remove the solder. And next is your wire stripper. So this is used for stripping or cutting wires. So especially kanang magbuhat na ka og kanang LAN cable, your straight through or crossover nga cable. Next is your brush. So mostly brush are used in removing dust from the components or from your computer system. Next hand tool is your magnifying glass. So kasagaran for magnifying glass is there are other screws nga gagmay jud siya nga need jud nga siya og magnifying glass para makit-an siya visually. Next is your cleaning tools. So for your cleaning tools, there are different types for cleaning tools. You have your lint-free cloth, which is used for cleaning computer parts without leaving marks or scratches. So kasagaran na ni mga lint-free cloth is used kana kung gigamit sa imong mga cell phones. Next is your compressed air. So this is used for clearing or blowing away dust from computer parts. The third one is your cable tie. So this will help organize your wires, especially those bundle wires na makitaan sa inyong kanang luyo sa inyong computer system. Next is your parts organizer. So there are other screws or small computer parts that can be organized. So kinahanglan nasa kay sudlanan na niya. So this parts organizer is used for holding and organizing your screws and other small computer parts. The next tool is your diagnostic tools. So the first one is your digital multimeter. So this tool can be used to measure amps, volts, and ohms. So it can test the integrity of your circuit and the quality of electricity in computer components. So information is flashed on the screen. So this is your digital multimeter. The next one is your loopback adapter. So this is also known as loopback plug. So this tool tests the basic functionality of your computer ports. So the adapter is specific to the port that you want to test. The next is your toner probe. So a two-part tool that generates a tone that travels the length of the cable. So the toner part is attached to a cable at the one end using specific adapters such as RJ45, coaxial, or metal clips. So when the probe is near to the cable where the toner is attached, a tone can be heard from the speaker. So that's all for your hand tools and equipments that can be used in your computer system, especially when you're doing assembling and disassembling of your computer system and repairing and maintaining your computer system.